Today, we're diving into a full review of DubbifyAI. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
MrBeast isn't the only one. PewDiePie, Logan Paul, and every major content creator is following the same playbook. They're launching new channels, hiring dubbing teams, and turning one video into multiple income streams. Why? Because the money is in localization. MrBeast's Spanish channel alone gets over 700 million views. Now, imagine having the same power, without hiring teams, recording audio, or spending months dubbing content manually. DubbifyAI gives you that power. And while others waste years figuring it out, you'll already be miles ahead. And yet, most don't even realize that AI can do it instantly, at a fraction of the cost. That means if you're one of the first to offer this, you own the market. Imagine walking into any business, any agency, any influencer's inbox and saying, "I can take your best performing video and turn it into a perfectly dubbed, multilingual masterpiece without you lifting a finger. I can help you reach 3x more customers without you having to create anything new." How many of them do you think would say yes? That's why this isn't just an AI tool, it's a business in a box. And the best part? You don't need to learn anything. AI does all the work for you. DubbifyAI lets you clone any speaker's voice and make them speak multiple languages with one click. Think about what this really means. AI can now take any video, any voice, and make it speak any language. And it doesn't just sound translated. It keeps the exact same tone, accent, and personality of the original speaker. That means it doesn't just sound real. It feels real. And that's why this changes everything. Because now, instead of hiring actors, spending thousands, or wasting months in editing rooms, AI lets you do it instantly, with one click. No robotic voices. No awkward lip syncing. Just perfect, natural translations like magic. Every once in a while, a new AI breakthrough changes the game forever. This is one of those moments. The ability to instantly translate, dub, and localize any video in any language. With a single click. The biggest companies in the world are racing to take advantage of this. The smartest marketers are already cashing in. And now, you have the same tool in your hands. So what's it going to be? Will you be the one who takes action now? Or will you sit back and watch as others take this and run with it? Because make no mistake, this opportunity is here now. But it won't be here forever. What happens next is entirely up to you. Legally hijack any video from YouTube, Vimeo, X, TikTok, or any URL and transform it into multilingual magic without recording a single second. Clone any voice instantly, capturing every nuance, tone, pitch, and emotion with eerie accuracy. No robotic voices ever. AI syncs lip movements so flawlessly, viewers will believe your dubbed videos were filmed by native speakers in every language. Turn a single video into dozens of different languages in a single click, multiplying your reach and profits effortlessly. Automatically detect and perfectly translate multiple speakers in a video, each with their unique cloned voice. Preserve stunning 4K resolution while instantly translating videos, delivering unmatched visual quality worldwide. Download perfectly formatted subtitles, SRT, WebVTT, instantly, empowering content creators and marketers with seamless integration. Effortlessly remove background noise or retain original music and ambient sounds. No tedious audio editing required. Select exactly which video segments you want translated and dubbed, leaving unnecessary footage behind. Access your translated, dubbed, and profit-ready videos securely from anywhere, anytime, without ever downloading software. Immediately start banking huge profits by offering AI translation and dubbing services directly to clients, charging premium prices, $500 to $1,000 per video. No voice actors, expensive gear, or tech skills needed. Paste a link, click, and let AI handle the rest. AI clones not just voices but emotions. Your dubbed videos capture the precise feelings and nuances of the original content. Convert and render multilingual videos instantly, saving you hours of editing time and rapidly boosting your global presence. Easily upload or paste URLs for videos in MP4, MOV, AVI, and other popular formats. No format hassles, just pure efficiency. Instantly convert local videos into global sensations, enabling instant worldwide exposure and endless profit potential. AI optimizes every video for clarity, visual appeal, and viewer retention, automatically boosting your content's effectiveness. Transform any ordinary video into viral multilingual masterpieces, effortlessly capturing worldwide attention with zero manual effort. Monetize your dubbed videos and sell its services, offer subscriptions, or charge businesses and watch the cash roll in.
So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.